La Pyllong Biang ya ke Jingthep Wood ha East Jaintia Hills hin legacy hadian jang ke Jingsha penjulur jang kor EVM daki pajba ha musnyang rangat bat batau la kedong constituency ki polling booth ki balasya thombor ki don kam ya ke Jingthep Wood ke bathamai knang ban pentikna ya ke Jingkhut jang ke election la pen klan ya ki bor pahara ha kan ya ke Jingthep Wood Biang ka bala Pyllong nadu kapor nyo buje men step hadu saw buje janmin ki don baro khandai spa at pawingut ki bawan Thep Wood ha wapung skor A polling station kat ba khandai spa nyopu prangut pat ha wapung skor B nriu spa san pukundai ngut ha batau A ban nriu spa nyopu prangut ha batau B polling station.
KHASI election in our district, there were total 4 incidents where EVM was damaged by a group of people. So after that, the security in both Wapung School village and Batao village where these incidents happened was beefed up, and also the RO went there, and at the spot they decided to adjourn the poll yesterday, and the report was submitted to district council, based on which the government ordered the repoll today. So today we have started the repoll on time. The polling time is from 7 a.m. to 4 a.m. Right now polling is going on peacefully, and full security deployment is also there. We have also imposed curfew in both the Wapung School village and Batao village. So I think today the voting will be peaceful, and we are ready for any kind of scenario. We are fully ready with all the security. Both the ROs and the magistrates are also here to respond to any kind of situation.
Menteri ke Sarkar